Welcome to CIAT, Center for Innovation and Alternative Thinking. Let's know who actually we are. We ensure sustainability and growth of your business as well as society. We offer solutions for connecting all the dots of your business. We ignite solutions for creating strong basement of your business. We analyze to secure your investment. Now, let's have a look on which solutions we offer you. We make solutions for any kind of business and economic related problems, like feasibility study, investment analysis, any kind of marketing HR analysis and so on. Besides, we also work for entrepreneurial development. We also offer solutions for field assessment, like data collection and mining. Besides, we offer some corporate training, regarding data management and analysis, and some other solutions as well, for instance, content writing, report writing and data entry. 3 important value propositions, we always promise to our clients. We ignite best solutions for any kind of business and economic problems. We ensure authenticity and innovation for evaluating and implementing a plan. We ensure a secure investment through rigorous analysis. Our some core competencies makes us heal at the peak, and in some cases, we are prioritized for that as well. Here in the CIAT, we have diversified advisor, who have the diversity of knowledge. Hence CIAT always leads to explore innovation and perfection. Now, let's have a glance on our recent milestones. Business model development of Lily Rider Limited. Feasibility and investment analysis of Sun Solar and Aki Susi Power Plant Limited. Investment analysis on Uber on behalf of Rolak Bangla Limited. In modern times, business needs massive innovation. For that we have 3 last but not the least thoughts. Establishing a business, we have to connect all the dots and have bird-eye view. Capital is important, however knowing the business insight is mandatory. Customer satisfaction is the key to success in business. If you desire any of our solutions, contact us through Facebook, phone call, email, or through our website. Thank you.